In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export scenarios in Make.com. Exporting a scenario is a quick way to back up your work, share it with teammates, or move automations between accounts or environments. We'll walk through the export process from inside the scenario editor and make sure you know exactly what to expect at each step. First, open the scenario you want to export in Make.com. Give it a moment to load fully in the editor so you can see the modules, connections, and settings. It's a good idea to confirm you have the correct scenario and that any recent edits are saved, so the exported file reflects your latest version. If you're working in a team, make sure you have the necessary permissions to access and export that scenario. Next, look for the three-dot menu in the scenario editor. You'll usually find it in the upper area of the editor interface. This menu houses a set of actions related to your scenario. Click it to reveal the available options. From that menu, choose Export Blueprint. This tells Make.com to package your scenario's configuration into a single blueprint file. A blueprint captures the structure of your scenario, modules, routes, and settings, so you can recreate it elsewhere. It typically won't include your actual credentials, but it may reference connections. For safety, always treat blueprints as configuration files and keep them within trusted hands. After you select Export Blueprint, Make.com will generate and download the file automatically. Depending on your browser settings, it may save to your default Downloads folder or ask where to put it. Watch the download indicator to confirm it completes. If you don't see a file appear, check your pop-up or download permissions in the browser. Finally, save the blueprint somewhere safe so you can import or reuse it later. Consider placing it in a dedicated folder for automations and add a clear name or version tag to avoid confusion down the line. Storing a copy in a secure cloud drive or version-controlled repository can make collaboration and rollback easier. When you're ready to reuse it, you can import that blueprint back into Make.com and spin up the same scenario structure without rebuilding from scratch. That's it. Your scenario is now exported and safely stored as a reusable blueprint. This simple process helps you document your automations, standardize deployments, and collaborate confidently. Thanks for watching.